My dear students, I am going to explain the mistake in the sentence. The sentence is he is taller than me. Now, here you see he is. Then, here he is nominative case, subjunctive case that is called. It means here it is a subject. He is taller than me. Now, your comparison is between third person singular number, masculine gender, and second is so here he is third person singular number masculine gender, and as well as it is a nominative case, that is subjective case. So it has been compared with me is objective case. It is not possible. Subjective case will be compared with subject. That means another will be also in the subjective case, it will be not in the objective case. So here me is not appropriate. Me is not correct. So the correct will be he is taller than I, because in first person singular number I is the nominative case or the subjective case. So he is taller than I. After that am you write or don't write, it doesn't matter. But if you write, it is not wrong. He is taller than I am. Or simply if you say he is taller than I, it is the correct sentence. There is no mistake at all. Thank you. If you like, do what you think good.